Namaste बच्चों, IJV and Ayushi Shukla, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology. So today our topic is entrepreneurship benefits. Okay, what is the benefits of entrepreneurship? If you are a good entrepreneur, so what is the benefit for society and what is the benefit for you? So we discuss about that. Firstly, entrepreneurs are frequently thought of as national asset to be cultivated, motivated, and remunerated to the greatest possible extent. Great entrepreneurs have the ability to change the way we live and work. If successful, their innovations may improve the standard of living, and in addition to creating wealth with entrepreneur ventures, they also create jobs and contribute to growing in economy. So if we are a good entrepreneur, so we give jobs to others. That's why it it is a best contribution to our society or to our country. Entrepreneurship is thus important for a number of reasons, from promoting social change to driving innovation. So for next, we discuss about some topics that how entrepreneurship is best for our society. Okay. Here, first one is entrepreneurs for economic growth. So that is, as we say, that entrepreneurs are very important to grow our economy. New products and services created by entrepreneurs can produce a cascading effect where estimated related business or sectors that need to support the new venture, furthering economic development. Like we take one example, some 1990s India have so many industries, that is IT industries. So the IT industries are very quickly expand the money and give many sectors of job and many jobs to others. Okay, they give many jobs to others, so that is a benefit for new generation also, because if anyone have no work, so how they improve our society. So some many IT industries give many jobs to others, like business and associated industries like such as call center operations, network maintenance company, and hardware providers. So they all give many works to others. Now, now we discuss next our topic, that is entrepreneurs add to national income. Yes, that is very true thing that all entrepreneurs give a national income, because you all know that we in past days we are called as gold bird. India is a golden bird. Okay, so because of entrepreneurship, because business is a thing that you can earn many things in business doing while doing business. So entrepreneurs venture help generate new wealth. Existing business many remain confident to existing markets and may hit the glass ceiling in terms of income. If we are a good income, like if we are a good in achieving our goals, so we improve our national income also, because new and improved product, service or technology from entrepreneurs enable new market to be developed and new wealth to be created. Like additionally increase employment and higher earnings contribute to better national income in the form of higher tax revenue and higher government spending. This revenue can be used by the government to invest in other struggling sectors and human capital also. So although it may make a few existing players redundant, the government can soften the blow by redirecting sprawlers' wealth to retain workers. If we have much income, so we can also give our some parts of income to national income. Okay, like that. Entrepreneurs create social change. Yes, that is a very true thing, that entrepreneurs change many social things, like through offering unique goods and services, entrepreneurs break away from traditional and reduce dependence on obsolete system and technology. This result is an improved quality of life, improved moral, and greater income freedom. Like take one example. If we are living in a village, okay, so we give many opportunities. If we have many opportunities, so we move on to the next city, okay, from village to city. So there is a we live quality of life by improving ourselves. So just like that, if good entrepreneur are work for country, so they can change social, they can change socially to the and create social change. Okay, for example, the water supply in a water source, water scarce region will it at times force people to stop working to collect water. Okay, this will impact their business, but obviously productivity and income also. So imagine an innovative and automatic pump that can fill people's water containers automatically. So this type of innovation ensure people are able to focus on their jobs without worrying about a basic necessarily like water. More times to devote to work translate to income growth. So that is basically the short example. So there is many innovations or many things to make social change. Now, community development. But of us, entrepreneurs regularly nature venture by other like-minded individually because we think differently. Okay, so they also invest to community projects to provide financially support to local charities. This enable further development beyond their own ventures. Some famous entrepreneurs such as Bill Gates, like Bill Gates also give money to finance or good causes for education, also for public health also. Bill Gates achieve many things, but they also have a part in community development. So the qualities that make one an entrepreneur are the same qualities that help motivate entrepreneurs to pay it forward. Okay, now some key takeaways like we discuss fast about how they are benefit for our society, for us. Firstly, entrepreneurship is important as it has ability to improve the standard of living. Okay, so that is basically thing that entrepreneurs change the society to how we live, how we create wealth, how we not only for the entrepreneurs but also for related businessmen. Okay, entrepreneurs also help drive changes with innovation, where new and improved product enable new market to be developed. If we want to cut anything, so first we use the knife. Okay, now we have many options like food processors and all things to make that thing. So innovation is important for us. Innovation is important for any entrepreneurship. Okay, economy wise, higher earning thanks to entrepreneurship can help boost national income and tax revenue. So that is the also thing that economy is a very important part to any entrepreneurship. Okay, now entrepreneurs contribute in other ways as well, such as investing in community projects and supporting local charities also. If you earn better, then you can distribute it betterly. So entrepreneurs also contribute their society for their society. Too much entrepreneurship like that is high self employment can be determined to economic development as we discussed. So there is some points to that how much entrepreneurship are benefits and what is the entrepreneurship benefits it would be. So if you want to be in a good entrepreneurship, you must take that all benefit as positive way. Thank you so much for this session.